If you want to make your documents look more polished, more creative, or just a little more unique, adding new fonts to Microsoft Word is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a font, install it on your computer, and then use it inside Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is perfect whether you're working on school projects, business documents, resumes, flyers, or any other Word file that needs a custom look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to a trusted font website. Two of the most popular and reliable options are Google Fonts and Dafont. Google Fonts is great if you want clean, modern, professional fonts, while Dafont gives you a huge variety of more creative and decorative styles. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the font you want. For example, you could search for Roboto, Open Sans, or Montserrat if you want something simple and professional. If you want something more styled, you can browse different categories until you find one that fits your project. After you've found the font you like, click the download button. This usually downloads a zip file to your computer. Don't worry if that sounds a little technical. It's very easy to handle. Next, open the zip file and extract it. On most computers, you can right-click the file and choose Extract All, or just double-click it to open the contents. Inside, you'll usually see one or more font files, often with a .ttf or .otf extension. Those are the actual font files that Microsoft Word can use. Now open the font file by double-clicking it. This will bring up a font preview window where you can see what the font looks like before installing it. If it looks right, click the Install button at the top of the window. On some computers, you may need to choose Install for all users if you want the font available across the whole system, but a regular install is usually enough for most people. Once the font finishes installing, it becomes available to Microsoft Word automatically. So now open Microsoft Word, go to your font list, and start typing the name of the font you just installed. You should see it appear in the list just like the default fonts already on your computer. Select it, and you're ready to use it in your document. If you don't see it right away, close Word completely and reopen it, then check the font list again. That usually refreshes everything and makes the new font show up. And that's it. You've now learned how to add new fonts to Microsoft Word quickly and easily. It only takes a few steps, but it can make a huge difference in how your documents look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.